Oh, this is cool. I've been looking forward to this one. I got the BOTHUA collapsible bucket with a handle on it too. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I'm gonna take this out and check it out. I'm gonna do a demo on this and show you how it works, but let's take a look at it real quick. As far as I'm concerned, this is one of the coolest ideas ever. An actual collapsible bucket. Many reasons why a collapsible bucket is a cool idea. One, you can hang it in the wall in the closet when you're not using it, or in the shed. Just think all the uses you have for this around the house or in the garden or anywhere. But a little measurement on the top real quick. 11¼ inch opening, center on center, 11½ inches, almost 10 inches tall. Got a handle on it too. Obviously it's plastic and rubber compound here in order for it to be able to collapse. You collapse it when you're done. Look at that, you're done. Hanging on the wall. Just use my bucket. I'm done. I'm gonna hang it in the storage closet or the basement or wherever. And I want to use it again. Just pull it up, open it up. So I'm sitting down. I just think that's so awesome. It's got a nice polypropylene type rubber on here. It feels sturdy, lightweight, but sturdy. I don't know how sturdy the handle's gonna be once it's full of, it depends on what you're putting in there, obviously. We need to take this outside and test it. Guess what? I have to carry a bunch of stuff down from my studio to take outside and test, so guess how it's getting there. The collapsible bucket. I already think everyone knows how a bucket works, but let's scoot this thing through the paces. Let's see if it holds water. How about that? Another thing I want to point out too, when you have this handle in here, before you expand this, make sure it's around to this side without this guy, or else you won't be able to use the handle. You have to collapse it again. So let's open it up. Let's do a water test. Filled up with water, completely filled with water. See how heavy this thing is. No problem at all. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is filled with water. And cool thing I just noticed too is it has a little spot, like kind of a indented area right here for pouring out, and it can use this handle to help pour it too. So I'm gonna go water my fig tree. So I think it worked great. It holds water, no leaking. And here's another thing too I want to point out. If I wanted to say transplant this tomato plant, you can see it in comparison to the size of that container that I have that tomato plant in. Like say I wanted to take that tomato plant, transplant it, and to give it to my mom or somebody, for instance, I could just take this tomato plant out here, put it in this bucket, take it over to my mom's plant, collapse my bucket, and bring it home. Plenty of uses for the collapsible bucket. Anyway, this thing's pretty awesome. Think about all the different uses you could have for something like this. I mean, not only around the home, but you could take this camping with you. You can take this if you're fishing, good fish bucket. I mean, just perfect for storing in compact spaces. So if you're looking for a collapsible bucket with a handle on it, check out this BOTHUA collapsible bucket. Check it out.